All good? All right. So after the guitar part, your legs are closed, and the first step is basically you're stepping with your right leg outside and drop. Okay. 1, 2. And hands are just ta ta. Okay. So right hand on top around the head, left hand this way, and all you're doing is pointing. The counting is tricky. So tujhe is 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Okay. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Good. Moving on. Tujhe lage na. So you were here. All I did was left leg, step on my left leg. My right hand just pushes my left shoulder. Okay. So tha, and I'm saying no on the right side, and I'm stepping with my right leg again. Any questions? No, right? Yeah. So together it looks like 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2. Good. Moving on. 3, 4 is just I am jumping like a small hop on my left leg. My right leg is in the air, and it's not like it's kind of sort of 90. Okay. So tha, and 4 is just I'm again hopping on my left leg. My right leg is coming like I'm kicking back, and my upper body is facing to the audience. Okay. Just watch me slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. For 3, 4, all I'm doing is, you are here, all I'm doing is in front of my forehead, I'm doing this and breaking in my wrist. Okay. So ta ta, 3, 4. Make sure there's tension in your hand, and your elbows are not dropping. Okay. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. I think most of you are getting it. Let's do it one last time and then we'll move on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Just the looks. This is audience. This is on your left shoulder. So tha tha. Okay. Just make this loud and kind of distinct. Okay. And I'm looking towards right profile. Okay. Over here. This is again audience. This is again audience. So can everyone just do this? Ha ha. Can we all do it together? It's just 3, 4. Okay. 5. I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. With the hands, this tuck. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let's do it slowly from the top. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on. I think everyone's getting it. From here, all I'm doing is kick. My right leg is kicking in the front, place, left leg is going behind. Okay. So we were here, ta ta ta. Easy. Hands are, we were here. Hands are like odhani. So in like as if you're putting a cloth on something. So cha cha cha. Okay, and my hands are like this. Okay, okay. We were here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Cool. Let's just finish this. All I'm doing is just look at my legs. My left leg is coming from behind. I'm placing it, getting my right leg. Oh. So left leg, I'm just placing it, getting my right leg close and then apart. Okay. So just the legs, cha cha cha, ta ta ta. So तुझे लगे ना नजरिया ओढ़ ले चुनरिया. That's the lyrics. And hands, what we were doing was 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Sorry, this is the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So from here, just get your hands around. Your leg is also coming close together at the same time, and then slash. Okay, cha. Right? Let's try this from here. The entire 4 count. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Good. Starting from the top, 5. Let's do it from the top slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Almost. Let's do it one more time slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Sorry, I forgot. Getting it right, but show some thumbs up. Good, good, good. Let's try this on music. Just look at me. So I think on music it's 4 times faster. Okay. Just watch. तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तेरे सीने का मेरे दिल पे. Good, good. One more time I will do. Okay. Again. तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया 5, 6, 7 तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तेरे सीने का मेरे दिल पे. Let's try. Should we try? Should we try? तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया 5, 6, 7 तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तेरे सीने का मेरे दिल पे. तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तेरे सीने का मेरे दिल पे. Any questions? Can we move on? Or one more time on music? Move on? Oh, yeah, Urvashi. Oh, one more time. Okay, okay. तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तुझे लगेगा नजरिया और कुछ नरिया तेरे Good, good. Let's move on, okay? We were here. Right? Next is Tirchi. Actually, can I just watch one time, everyone? Please. I like it, I like it, I like it. I like it. I know it's very hard. This music is super fast, but we'll get there, okay? Moving on. Okay? The next step is easy. Hands are just doing ta ta, okay? And I'm just getting my left leg closer to the right leg and adding this shoulder, okay? So ta ta. So we were here, Chunariya, Tiruchi, and this is shoulder height, okay? Near the shoulder, okay? So Tiruchi. Next step, super easy. Nigahe mere is just I'm going from right side to left side, okay? And basically, if you have to kind of classify as angles, is 30, 60, 120, 50, 150, okay? So I'm just going from right to left, okay? Legs are closed. And I'm giving sort of a body weight, okay? And all I'm doing is hands, legs, nothing. Face, I'm just blinking, adding some nods, okay? From right to left. Good. So we were here. Let's try it together. Tiruchi nigahe mere. That's the lyrics, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiruchi nigahe mere. Good. Moving on. All I'm doing is right leg first, like small cha cha, okay? Small hops, like 1, 2, okay? And dil, okay? My right hand is coming near my heart, 1, 2. And add like a small jump, tuck, tuck, okay? So, Tiruchi nigahe mere dil. Good. Everyone with me? All I'm doing is left elbow goes down, right elbow goes up. Okay? Ta ta. Okay? Legs, left leg is not doing anything. With the hands, I am just breaking my right leg and getting it in. Okay? So ta ta. Easy. And at the neck, it's not this way, it's this way. Okay? I'm looking in the left. So ta ta. It's confusing, right? Let's try that again from here. Questions? Urushi, question? Ha. Let's try from Tiruchi nigahe mere dil pe gi. I'll sing, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiruchi nigahe mere dil pe gi. Sorry, dil pe gi. Right? Let's finish this off so that we can practice the full set, okay? So ta ta. All I'm doing is getting my left leg close to the right leg and then small hop, okay? So dil pe gi rae ke. Good. We were here. My legs are just coming together and then I'm just hopping on the right with both legs joined, okay? and what my hands are doing is this circular motion, clockwise from top, full circle, one more circle. Okay, so the way it look is dil pegi rae ke. Good, perfect. Let's do this again. Just dil pe gira ke. Okay. So we were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dil pe gira ke. Again, make that last jump a little bit like loud. Okay. Ha. And I'm also doing this. Ha ha. So ta ha. Good. Let's try that one more time. Huh. Shashank, question?
Yes. When you finish this step, right? So you do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh.
When you start your hand circle, does the left leg join the right leg in the first itself, or?
Yes. The left leg is joining the right leg in the first circle, and in the second circle we are just tuck. Good. Brinda, Anjali had a question, I guess.
Yeah. So you do this. Is it back to level or are you bringing it down again?
Back to level.
Level. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try just the dil pe girai portion. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dil pe girai ke. Again. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dil pe girai ke. Let's just do it from Chunaria. So ta ta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. So from we were here, Chunaria. Can you see me? Yeah. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. तेरे चीनी गाहे मेरे दिल पे गिराए के. Getting it? Kind of, sort of. Let's do it from the top. My singing. Sorry, guys. So I'll just say 5, 6, 7, tujhe. Cool. Ready? 5, 6, 7, tujhe lage na najariya. ओढ़ ले चुनरिया तेरे चीनी गाहे में दिल पे गिराए के. Good. Let's try this one more time and then music. Okay. 5, 6, 7. तुझे लागे ना नजरिया ओढ़ ले चुनरिया तेरे चीनी गाहे में दिल पे गिराए के. Let's try it on music. Get some water if you want. You guys want to watch me first? Fully?
Yes.
Let's try it again. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Good. One more time. Getting it right? Yeah. Any questions before we move on? Or actually, can we do that 2 more times? Yeah, I'll just watch first time and the second time I'll correct if there are any questions and then dance with you, okay? Let's do it. 'I know, I can clearly see folks are still trying to remember the steps and the music is just running away. But you'll get better, okay? Pakka. Can you count us in? Okay, sure. So, that's as soon as it starts, right? Count in your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay, Claudia, but I'll count you in, okay? One more time, please. Ready? Five, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Head. It's just getting better and better, okay? One last time, I'll also dance. Five, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's move on. Move on, move on. One more time or move on? I can't see. Okay, okay, move on, move on. So, ta, ta. We were here. My kind of my knees are towards my right side, my neck is towards the right. All I'm doing is again ta ta ta. Okay, so just hop, sorry, jump on the left, jump back, and then jump on the left again. At that time, just open your left leg, okay, and bring it in again. So the way it looks like is ta 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 ta. Good, easy. Let's try that again, okay? Just the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta 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 ta. And this is Bijuriya, Bijuriya. That's the lyric. Hands. My hands were, left hand was on top, right hand was down. All I'm doing is ta 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 ta. So kind of making a fist. I'm going to show it this way, okay? So my hands were like this, right hand, left hand. So ta 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 ta. So as if I'm getting something, throwing. Getting something, throwing. Okay? Good. Let's try that with the legs. We were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bijuriya, Bijuriya. It's fast on the music, so I don't think you will have enough time to do this and all. Just practice this on music, okay? So again, let's do it together. 5, I'm singing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bijuriya, bijuriya. Yeah. I think everyone's getting it. So at the end, my right leg is kind of in the air. Okay. All I'm doing is just placing it, placing again on the right side, placing on the left, placing on the right. Okay. So I was here. Cha, cha, ta, ta. My upper body is very kind of loose, casual. Okay. And my hands are just doing this. Okay. Do not cover your face. So all I'm doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. So your right leg was in the air. I am placing it on the left, like beyond my left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am not doing like up straight up, okay? Like slight bend in your knees, okay? And it's very casual. Good. Let's just try. Bijuriya, bijuriya, bijuriya. That is what this is.
Question.
Yes, Amay.
So is it this, or are you throwing it like this?
Sorry, this. I am just doing 1, 2, 3, 4.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
1. Thank you. Let's do this from Dil Pe. Yeah. Actually, let's do it from Dil Pe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dil pe girai ke bijuriya, bijuriya, bijuriya. Good, good. Getting it? One more time, and then we'll do it on music, okay? Actually, let's do before that. Tirchi Nikaya, okay? Indian Idol, wow. Thank you, Urvashi, thank you. So I'm doing it. We are doing from Tirchi Nikaya, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Tirchi Nikaya mere dil pe giraye ke biju ya bijuriya. Good. Good, good. Let's try this on music. Apeksha, question? No, right? Okay, good. So, Sofina has a question. Yeah.
Yeah, can you do this? I don't know. I think what you're doing and what I'm doing is different. Yours looks.
So I was just here. All I'm doing is fist and so exactly, yeah. I think you are getting the angle correctly. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're getting the angle correctly, and it's looking good with the legs too. Let's try this again together. Just the bijuriya part, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Bijuriya, bijuriya. Killing it, guys. Harsha, Urvashi, I saw just did this without me singing. Okay. Can we try it on music? Five, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So as you can see, there's hardly any time. It's like bijuriya, bijuriya. It's that fast, okay? What is Shashank saying? Question? I start only at the last step. No, let's try it from the top, okay? 5, 6, 7. Any questions? Get some water. We'll do it 2 more times. You wish, Urvashi, you wish choreo over. All right, let's do it 2 more times and then we'll move on. Five, 6, 7.
Harshit, can we see you do the entire thing with the Bijuria timing? Because I don't seem to get it. I think I missed the entire thing.
It's just Bijuria, Bijuria, Bijuria. That's the timing, but on music, I know it's different.
Yeah, on music also, the what Sofina is saying now, the last step from this,
Huh.
we got this right.
Yeah.
How are you placing your leg so fast?
Like, can you do it on the music? I mean,
Yeah. I'm just placing it. I know it's sometimes hard on the carpet. Even my legs were stuck over there. But I'm not sure if you're wearing shoes, Shashank. But it's just in the flow. So ta 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 ta. 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's move on. Kya? Yeah. Any more questions? We'll do it one time. I'll just put this on gallery view so that we'll have something in the recording. Okay. Music. Okay. Five, 6, 7. Good. One last time, yeah, move on. Move on, move on, move on. Okay. We were here. It's repeating again, okay? Tirchi Nigahe. Lyrics are repeating. All I'm doing is just this. My left hand is just doing Tirichi. Sorry, the legs are not coming close. Shoulder width apart, okay? So, we were here. Tirichi. Nigahe mere. What did I do? So right leg, toe, my knee is coming in, and at the same time, left leg, heel is going out. So 1 and 2 and. Good. Hands are left hand, right hand. Yeah. So opposite basically. And legs, you know already. So we were here. It's Tirichi Nigahe mere. Getting it? One more time, please. We were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tirichi Nigahe mere. So I'm doing this, getting it kind of back but drop it, okay? So तिरछी निगाहें मेरे. Good. Moving on, same दिल पे गिरा है. My legs are still apart. I'm not doing anything with my legs. With my hands, I'm just doing tha, tha, tha. Okay. So left, front, kind of 45, audience 45. And I'm just giving out like a pop. Tha, tha, tha. Yeah. Don't do this. Do this. Yeah. We were here. Dil pe nika, dil pe girai ke. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm getting it down. Just watch. तिरछी निगाहें मेरे दिल पे गिराई के. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. My right hand is coming down. At the same time, my left hand is coming up and switching. Okay. And my legs were shoulder width apart. I'm just getting my knees in, out. Okay. So together it look like तिरछी निगाहें मेरे दिल पे गिराई के. Getting it? And we'll just finish this. My right hand is a Bijuria step. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me change to speaker mode again. Right, we were here. Our right hand was on the top. All I'm doing is with my leg, right hand, right leg is always in the front. All I'm doing is jump, hop, hop, hop. Okay. Left leg is only moving. So tha, tha, and hands are just this. Right hand is always on top. Okay. Good. So let's just do it from here, this part. And this is again, lyrics are Bijuria, Bijuria. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bijuria, Bijuria. 4 times and then again Bijuria. We'll just pause for now. Okay. Let's just try everything from here once. Right? We were here. 5, 6, 7, 8. तिरछी निगाहें मेरे दिल पे गिराई के. बिजुरिया, बिजुरिया. Getting it? Let's try. How much time do we have? 3 minutes. Let's try this part on music. Okay. Kind of good. You want to try just the from the first Tirchi Nigaya, okay? Let's try. Five, 6, 7. Good. Can you all dance at least the first bit? It's okay if you don't remember the second part, okay? The second Tirchi Nigaya. Good. Music. And I'll count you in. 5, 6, 7. So now actually I'm using that hop to kind of prep for this. So Bijuriya, Bijuriya, hop tirichi. Just listen to the music carefully. You will catch that. Tirichi nigahe mere dil pe gira hai ke Bijuriya, Juriya. Good. I think that's 7:45. You guys want to do one last time or we're done? You can unmute yourself. Oh, one last time? Okay, okay. Five, 6, 7. Good, good. That's it for today. We just look at the recording and practice, especially the second part. If you guys can't get it, we'll go over it again next class, okay? Just the second Tirchi Nigahe. I know it was kind of rushed in the last 10 minutes, but we'll get there, okay? Feel free to unmute and thank you so much.
Thank you, Harshad.
Yeah!
Thank you.
Hey,
Harshad.
Harsha.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you cool down, okay? Otherwise, body will be sore, okay?
Yeah.
Bye, peace out.
So I'll reduce my temperature, cool down.
Cool down, cool down.
Bye.
I'm going to
guys.
stop
Bye.
recording before any lame jokes come in.